Good morning, Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage, and I'm going to bring to you another exciting PSA. Well, the project service announcement will probably really be a project service whine a little bit, okay? And I'm speaking to the dealerships and the mechanics that do oil changes and the people who train them, all right? Here's a little tip. It does not require you to torque the drain plug to the oil fill, like the one right here, to 100 foot-pounds to make sure it doesn't leak. Simply tighten it and do a quarter turn. It took, I swear, I had to put this bar, which is, I don't know, 2 feet on it, on my ratchet in order to break that drain plug free to get it up. So, guys, you don't do that. And the oil filter. Okay, another pet peeve here. Oil filters, wind them up, put them on hand tight, and a quarter turn, half max. You don't have to twist that onto a full 1 turn, right? Those little suckers right up there, you don't have to go a full turn to tighten them down to stop them from leaking. Matter of fact, you'll cause leaking if you do that. Trust me, I've done this for, I don't know, 40 years now, since I was 20 years old or even younger than that. I've been working on cars and constantly doing projects. So a little PSA, a little project service announcements for the guys out there who are doing it at home. They know, and they're probably shaking their heads at the whine. Just, you know, tighten the plug down, give it a quick quarter turn, it's tight. Same with the oil filter. Put it up there, tighten it down. You guys at the dealership, you guys at the Jiffy Lubes, you guys at the oil monkeys, whatever they are, you don't have to crank them down. They're not going to leak if you do it right. All right? So, project service announcement. Trainers, train these guys correctly, right? Because it's a horror if you're a project guy like me and you go to change your daughter's, this is my daughter's Equinox, oil because you have a lift and it's really convenient and easy to do it. When you get under there and those things are so tight you can't turn them. So please, 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 do it right. Quarter turn on each of them is plenty tight. All right, thanks guys, we'll catch you later. A little project service announcement.